I, uh, I need a lot of money. And honestly, I don't even know how.
Okay. When you say a lot, do you mean I'm panicking about survival money? Or I want my life to finally expand money?
The second one, I want freedom, security, respect, options.
Yeah. Good. That matters. Because the first kind is about fixing leaks. The second is about building systems. Most people mix those up.
Systems. I barely know where to start.
That's normal. Really. No one knows at the start. People who have money didn't know first. They just started before they felt ready.
But I don't have some big skill, no rich background, no special advantage.
Neither did most of them. Money doesn't come from being special. It comes from solving one problem that hurts enough and repeating the solution.
I still don't see my problem to solve.
Look at your life for a second. What have you suffered through, figured out, or explained to other people again and again? That's usually the seed.
I've spent years feeling stuck, overthinking, trying to change myself, reading, reflecting, starting, stopping.
Exactly. People pay to escape what you've already survived.
Okay, but how does that turn into, real money?
3 multipliers. Scale, 1 to many instead of 1 to 1. Leverage, content, systems, tools working while you sleep. Clarity, saying one thing to one type of person instead of everything to everyone.
So, not hustling harder.
Nope, hustling is what people do when the structure is missing.
And what about skills? Everyone says learn AI, learn coding, learn this, learn that. It feels, saturated.
Saturated with tools, not with clarity. In 2025, 2026, skills aren't about mastery anymore. They're about translation.
Translation?
Yeah, turning confusion into simple action. The world is drowning in information, tools, potential. What it's starving for is someone who can say, do this, in this order, for this reason.
So I don't need to be the best.
No, you just need to be useful sooner than others. The market rewards speed to usefulness, not perfection.
Give me a real example.
Okay, someone doesn't learn AI. They learn how to turn messy thoughts into clear prompts. They help coaches or creators stop feeling stupid using tools. They package that into templates, content, or systems. That's a skill plus positioning.
So skill acquisition isn't a multi-year thing anymore?
No. Old world, learn, certify, apply, wait. New world, learn, apply immediately, show proof, refine. People trust visible progress now, not credentials.
What skills actually compound right now?
The quiet ones, audience thinking, writing and framing, AI-assisted output, system building, teaching what you're 2 steps ahead in. Unsexy, but powerful.
And the real world actually pays for this?
The real world is desperate for it. People don't want more motivation. They want fewer decisions, less overwhelm, faster relief. If you reduce mental load, shorten the path, make someone say, oh, I can do this, money follows.
So acquiring a skill is really about becoming a bridge.
Exactly. Between where someone is stuck and where they want relief.
And the fear?
That just means the identity shift hasn't caught up yet. You think knowing comes before doing, but doing is what creates the knowing.
So the problem isn't that I don't know how.
Right. It's that you're waiting to feel ready in a decade that rewards people who start early and adjust as they go.
You know what this reminds me of? Naval Ravikant said something once. You don't get rich by working harder. You get rich by working on things that scale.
Exactly. Most people are exhausted because they're scaling effort, not outcomes.
Right. They think if they just do more, everything will eventually work.
But the truth is, you want your energy to multiply, not just your hours. That's where systems, content, tools, even code, all of it comes in.
So it's not about grinding harder, it's about building things that keep giving back, even when you're not watching. Okay, uh, let's flip this for a second.
Yeah, let's talk to you now.
If no one was judging, no family, no friends, no be realistic voice, how much money do you actually want? Not what sounds reasonable, what you really want.
And be honest here. Is it survival money or is it, I want my life to finally feel bigger money?
Because those are different games, different skills, different timelines.
Now tell us, what are you doing right now? Working a job you tolerate? Building something quietly? Feeling stuck but thinking a lot?
There's no wrong answer. Most people watching this are somewhere in between. Not failing, just not expanding yet.
So here's the real question. What problem do you already understand better than most people around you?
What have you lived through, struggled with, or explained so many times you could do it half asleep? That's not random. That's information.
Drop it in the comments. How much money you want and what you're doing right now.
No fancy language, no impressing anyone. Just, this is what I want, this is where I am.
And if you want more conversations like this, less noise, more clarity,
Subscribe. We're here for mind clarity, not hustle hype.
yeah, we talked through the stuff people usually carry silently.
Because clarity changes what you see, and once you see differently, you move differently.
All right, your turn.